Hello, test 23. Alright, we are on a good volume. The Windows update the other day reset all of my sound devices. So inconvenient. I joined meetings the next day and I was like just muted straight away in Zoom because the microphone wasn't working, so that was pretty awkward, but I think everything is set back up again. So we are good. Let me just check the music is an okay volume. I don't know how safe these mixes are. I think they're okay. I don't think I've had any muted audio in the previous VODs. Touch wood. I just know I'm going to be muted this stream now because I said that. It's fine. We'll be okay. I should look into separating my audio. I think I need to download something for it. I don't know. Seems like a lot of work. But it's probably safer. Alright, we'll go with this volume for now, and then we'll see if how this stream turns out. Let me switch to this scene. Hello. I feel like I'm pretty high. I'm just trying to sit a bit better. This is probably my normal resting position. Let me see. I have this open already. Is this readable? I think I'll do this, even though this feels like it's pretty big. Oh, I have a warning about a secret? That could be scary. I don't want that to leak. Do I have that open? I don't think so. I think we're okay. I did leave a note for myself, stuff to check out for the next stream, so I think I'll be doing that more because it's kind of helpful. This is what we were starting. Oh, I need Figma. That's right. Let me just open this over here in case. All right. So this is the website that we're working on. This is very rough, so it's not like one-to-one because I'm not a designer, but it is a good start. So I'm actually not signed in, so I'm curious as to why this. Oh, that's right, because forced myself to log in. That's right. That's fine. In that case, what I'm gonna do is start on making this bit better. I think we're gonna set the min width to actually be a bit higher, probably 1200. Or should it be even bigger than that? Because I feel like pages these days actually pretty like wide. Let me think. Like Twitter, how does Twitter do it? Does Stream Elements handle it? Stream Elements just goes super wide. Okay, that's not that helpful. Maybe we just go wide. I don't know. I'm gonna think. How do we want to do this? I think maybe we don't bother making those decisions. But I will pump this up a bit. Maybe I'll make it 14. And I just make the text bigger. Because I don't want it to be like... Well, I guess it could. I don't really mind the header being that wide because any site's gonna look pretty terrible if you like stretch it out a lot. But I think this is actually okay. I do want to load the other font, so let's do that. Y Google font. Is there a different way I can do this without having to install a package? Hosting your own fonts locally within a project can lead to large performance gains as they won't experience. Right, I see. Okay, then I guess we do that. Even though I'm not really sure that we'll bump into. Is this using Chakra UI? It is. Nice. Let's check it has the one we want, which is Inter. Yeah. Something aesthetically pleasing about Inter. So we add this, we import, and then we do the body. Let's check that. Where is this? To open one of these. Do I have this already loaded? I don't remember if I made a what do you call it? A thing. No, I didn't. Alright, we make one of those. Do I even need it? I guess I do. I'm gonna put it in style. Oh, do I put it in styles? Maybe. Yeah, I will. We'll make theme config TS, and this is basically where we extend the chakra theme. And then I can re-import it in the app, which is gonna be app. So the font we installed was Inter. And I just need to import the actual thing. I think I'll do the entire thing. May as well, why not? The body is also going to be Inter as well. Here we go. Nice. So now I can go back to app, where we're doing the globals. I can do import styles theme config. Let's try that again and have HD. I don't think that worked, or did it? Fonts. It is still Seago. I think that's how you say that. Let me see. I wonder if I do need to import specific things for it. Is the font even loaded? What if I change the font of this to be something else? Fonts heading. Oh, it's not even picking that up. Interesting. So if I do font family, enter. I don't think that's right. That's like Arial. Is that? No, it's not. No, that's Arial. That's just sans serif. Let me think. Where this used to be easier. Oh wait. Oh no, theme fonts. Oh no, that's not right. This is font face. Okay, that's not what we want. Theme. Oh. I didn't actually apply the theme. Gotcha. Just realized. Okay, so we go back and we do theme. I need to say import theme from theme config. Okay, so I think it is applying that now, but now the font's not loading still. Or is it? And this is just... Oh no, see, it's not changing that, so that's not right still. It's JSON font source enter. I wonder if I need to import the font into the actual root itself. That might be it. Let me try that. Why does this have to be so difficult? Meta, hello. How are you? Good to see you. I hope you had a good Thursday. It is your stream day today. I'm just trying to import a font right now, and I feel like this shouldn't be as difficult as it's making it. I'm pretty sure I've put it in. What the heck is going on? This is app. That's what I did. Wait. Oh, hang on. I think I did that though. Always. How's coding? It is going good. Today was a pretty intense day of coding at work, so I probably shouldn't be coding more after work, but it's a different project, so it's weird because it feels like it's still coding, but it doesn't feel like work, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's a weird thing. But yeah, if I can at least figure this out, I'll sleep happy tonight. This says it's the font, but this is very clearly not the font. Or is it? I can't tell. Maybe I need to write something else. Is this what the font would look like? Let me go back to... Is there a way that I can preview this? Ah. Hold on. So, like the shape of the T. Oh, this might be it then. Wait, I thought this was Arial. Let me... It's so difficult to tell sometimes. Duplicate node. And then set this to be Arial. Oh, it is the font. I just didn't recognize it because it's not like super bold. Oh. Okay. Of course it's your own project, yeah. Yeah, I guess it feels different that way. Ah, interesting, okay. So the font was working and I was freaking out for no reason. Do they have... Oh, so, whoops. Font weight of 900. They don't. Do they have 800? They don't. 700 is the boldest it goes. That's weird. Really? I don't know. I thought this would go bolder, but... Oh, it does go bolder. Then how come I didn't... How come that's not working? I want the headers to be kind of bold, and that is not, it's not bold. Let me duplicate this again and then check font family on this. Arial. Okay, so that is a different font. But for some reason the font weight is not... Maybe I need to... No. Download? I don't want to download it. Maybe I do download it and I just set it up manually. It might be the play. You know what I should do is just re-import the font that I'm using elsewhere, but I don't want to use that because I'm reserving that for something else. Oh, the decisions. Okay, let me try and work out why Inter is not importing the other font sizes, weights. Files? No. Metadata, ha, meta. Get it. It's funny. Let me try this. Oh, I can't do that. Never mind. Thorak, hello. How are you doing, sir? How is your Thursday going? I am fighting this majorly. I couldn't tell that this is the font that I'm trying to load. And for some reason it's not loading the weight that I want. Like, wait, that's 700? I'm so confused. I think it's only loading 400. How do I make it? Wait, I need to find this freaking package. Where is it? Font source. Oh. Wait, let me try this. Oh, of course you're not gonna let me do that. 700 CSS. Did that work? I think it worked. It's bolder now. Look at it. What? If I make this 400, it's only going to be able to import the thin one. Right. I wanted it to... I thought just doing, like, the whole thing would make it import every weight, but I guess not. What if I do this? It doesn't know how to do that. Never mind. I'm making good, just at work, so I'll be in and out of chat. No worries. Thanks for tuning in while you're at work. Hope work's going well. Sweet buddy, hello. How are you doing? How is the new again dad life? I hope you're getting in some sleep. I miss having your streams on in the morning when I sit down for work, even though it's like 3 or 4 a.m. for you. Okay, that's in. So for those of you unaware, we are working on a shout out overlay. Well, actually, we already finished the shout out overlay, kind of. We need to go back and update it with other stuff, but we're working on the website that will let people sign in to add the overlay to their own account. It's beautiful. I found this new open source Twitch app. First experience is on great. Wait, what is it called? I might have heard of it, because there was a point where... Well, actually, I only installed apps on my phone because the official Twitch app wasn't that great. I think I used... What was it? Rechat? No, it wasn't Rechat. It was... I think it was either Chatty... Yeah, it might have been Chatty. Weird. But this is the overlay. Frosty. Oh, I haven't heard that one. I guess it makes sense. I haven't looked in a hot second. And the rack. And Meta.
Ooh, Hal is currently time traveling.
What were you playing?
Oh, he's got the upgraded shop now. Now we'll see what.
Oh, it's Animal Crossing. I haven't played Animal Crossing in so long.
Did you just time that, or
My
or is the guy, like, always waving from down there? I've never noticed.
My what do you call it? My town is probably like deserted.
Yeah.
Please. I need to make this slightly bigger.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, the fence. I need to remove the description. I keep saying that, but I need to do that. Because it's like half of the clips, it's like covering the person's face. Like now.
I love. Wait, Thrak, can you say
So yeah, I need to do that. Golf with fence is great.
Actually, really good.
Oh, see, now it's covering Meta and Thrak's face. Yeah. I think I need to remove that because no one's going to be reading the text on a shout out anyway. And probably people are probably going to make it like smaller, so it's not even going to be readable. So there you go.
Yes, I love you.
I got you.
The one time. Well, actually, to be fair, Thrak did play DVD a few times, but I think that was it. No worries. You guys always shouting me out on your channel, so it's only fair. It's working better. I had to turn off the chat delay. I was adding a delay for iOS. Oh, weird. Usually, I guess, I don't know. That's a bit of a weird design decision. Old new dad life is good. Grandma and grandpa came over to watch the kids this morning, so I got to sleep today. Nice. Free help. That's lovely. I'm glad you got some sleep in. I can't even imagine what that would be like, because just I barely get enough sleep as it is. So, you know what? Maybe I would be okay at it. I might be playing it later today. Oh, it's been enough time between your last session of DBD that you can return to it. I feel like that might have been meta with Left 4 Dead 2. Although I did think he did say a week was enough time. The Chaos mods. The app recommends a 15-second delay for iOS because the stream is... Oh, I see. No visual indicator is waiting, so I had to send the same message like 5 times. Huh. I wonder if... I do have low latency turned on. I don't know if that works on mobile though. I don't know if they ever confirmed that. Or maybe it's only on the official... Oh, I don't think it even applies to the Twitch app, like the official one, because I don't remember seeing an option for it. Odd. They just need to take the same tech that Mixer was using, because didn't Mixer have a really like non-existent stream delay? I think they ended up selling the tech actually to, I can't remember who to, but I do remember reading that somewhere. Okay, so we have the font now. I'm probably actually going to delete it and add the other font, but I'm just gonna go with this for now. Because it's actually a bit older than I wanted. You know, let me... Oh, Azure, hello. Thank you for the 100 bits. That's so kind of you. You didn't have to do that. How are you doing? How is your evening going? Goof, also good to see you. How are you doing, sir? We are actually coding this time. Because I think last time you came in, I wasn't coding. I don't remember what I was doing, but you said something. And I was like, normally we're coding. I think it works everywhere but iOS. iOS has always had a 10-second delay no matter what. Weird, okay. Well, that's why I use Android. Not to bring up the old Android versus iOS debate. Different strokes for different folks and all that. Load and see mode works great when it's supported. Yeah. There's been a couple streams that I've been in when it came out, and it was just like sub-second delay. It was almost like, you know, you were actually talking to them live, which is pretty crazy. I think, what did Sam do? Sam did something. Sam Woodhull. I think he actually added some kind of delay to the stream that matched the, like, it was like a 3-second delay or something, and then so messages would appear for him and stream would be delayed at the same time or something like that, so it would look like he was responding to you instantly. I don't remember what exactly that setup was, but that also works really well. Just got an ad. Oh, I'm sorry. I was actually looking at the ad stuff earlier. I haven't touched any of the ad settings, but I'm kind of tempted to now because I don't really know, like... I know there's like mid-rolls and pre-rolls when people join, so I guess pre-rolls are the ones when people are joining, and then the mid-rolls are the ones that just play for everyone during stream. I need to look into... I don't know, I think it's just everything's at default. I'm not doing anything super interesting on these streams anyway, so you're not missing any hardcore gameplay. Unless I am playing a game, in which case there's still not going to be any hardcore gameplay. But thanks again for the bits. Jonzida, hello, how are you? Good to see you. Hope you're having an amazing one. I am. The weather's cooled down. You're in England as well, so you know this pain of the heat wave that we've been having. It rained yesterday, at least where I was, so that was nice. Just working at the moment, nice. Hope work's going well. So those of you who haven't seen what we are working on, we are working on a shoutout overlay. Well, part of an overlay. So this is the overlay that we worked on a few weeks ago or months ago. I actually have no idea. Thrak, thank you so much for the sub. That was so kind of you. It went to Alwister, who's like one of my first viewers. Way back when. It's really nice of you. I apologize for the no sub sound, because when I made my alerts, apparently I forgot to add a sound to the GIFs. So you'll just kind of have to imagine audio music playing or something. It's fine, I just make my own sub sounds. Yeah, I know you will. It's just gonna be you screaming for 3 minutes straight. Thank you again though, that was completely unnecessary. Does Goof have any clips? I don't remember when Goof last streamed, to be honest. Did you delete all your stuff? Oh, there you go.
I could have finished this region already, but I'm not because I like 100% shit. You know what I'm saying? So look at this. I still got this floor right here. Bro, excited as fuck.
What is that game?
I can't get up. Otherwise, I'll stand up and start talking. We got this area here.
Goof, you need to stream again.
Just got might sell 43 missions.
I can't. I need to disable the thing. You know what? I'm gonna do that now.
40 more missions, and I already done 20.
How do I do this? Also, Chris, thank you for the follow. I don't think that came through on Stream Elements yet, but I saw it pop up in the activity feed. I think it was Far Cry 5. I need to get into the Far Cry games. I think I started 2, and then I stopped. I need to get back to it. Been thinking of firing it back up, but working on learning more programming live. I feel like that would be fun. I think that would be fun as well. I mean, if you go to my YouTube and you like scroll all the way back to 2018, I did programming streams back then as well, and I was terrible at it because I didn't know what I was doing, and I didn't even know really how to JavaScript. I'm curious. Let me see. I'm so glad that I recorded all of that stuff though, exported it all, because it is nice going back through my VODs every now and then and seeing how much stuff I've created or done since then. Look how old this is, and it's even still got my name up here with like the capital T and the F, because that's how I used to capitalize it, but now I do all lowercase. God, look at this. 4 years ago. This must have been the one I was mapping. I guess it must have been this one. This would used to be my starting soon screen because I didn't have anything. I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to put some text on. I was literally coding in Animate, because that's what I made my overlays in. And oh god, I remember Tapic, the Twitch. This was the Twitch library I was using. Does it even still exist? Tapic. I think I did the same thing for Far Cry 3, played a section, then never came back. Yeah. I don't know if, like, did they end up keeping, I remember Far Cry 2 had, like, a malaria mechanic, where, you would get malaria or something, and then you would die if you didn't get it treated. Oh, look at this. It's still there, but it's been archived. 2019. So this was before I started using like TMI and Twirple. I guess it's now called. It used to be called Twitch.js. There you go. That's what I started with. And look how, like, I mean, you know, this is okay for what I was doing at the time, but it could definitely have, you know, I could definitely have done things differently, which is obviously the whole reason why I was trying to learn this stuff. Didn't hate it, just saw a time investment. Yeah, I'm the same way with The Witcher 3. Like, I really want to play that game, but it's just so much, there's so much to it, and so I haven't got around to it yet. I was making a Twitch game where you like pick a door. Look at all that animation stuff. Yikers. Trying to explain how I think of stuff or just have people help around. Yeah, Twitch chat is really good as being like, what's the term? Like a rubber duck. So, you know the rubber duck analogy. You basically explain stuff to yourself because you're explaining it to your chat. And then explaining it out loud helps you understand the problem better. So yeah, I think that's definitely been one of the plus things. And definitely on streams, I've, you know, I shouldn't say other because I don't think I am. I like professional coders come in and, you know, give tips and say, why are you doing it this way? Not like, you know, in a judging way, but they ask questions and they're like, oh, I see. Or they give tips, and that's really helpful as well. And then, yeah, some people, if they're working on the same stack as you, like sometimes I'll go into streams of people who are working in the same stack and I'll just use them as background noise because it's kind of like your pair programming. I definitely believe that trying to explain to someone... Yes, yeah. Do you make them now with Next? Not really. I mean, kind of. I guess Next. I have made the chat in React. Wait, not this one. This one, the one that's on the screen. Wait, was that? Actually, yes, this one was React. I made a second one as well. That was on the other screen. That's React. But yeah, not with Next. 'Cause I guess it doesn't really matter. But yeah, we're using Next for this website at least. But yeah, I made a bunch of them in Vue, and then when I started doing more React, I migrated them over to React, just for practice. And yeah, that was fun. It's hard to have so much to do and feel like it's gonna take forever. I know. It's like when obviously we were younger and we had more time, it's like those were the games to play, and now it's just like I need a game that, you know, doesn't take a million years to finish. I just want a game that I can... That's why I kind of, I guess, play more Apex, just because it's so easy to hop on and play a few rounds and then just top off again. Although I did start playing the Batman trilogy the other day. I started it. I'm probably going to make that my story game. But probably off stream. I might play it on stream actually. That might be fun. I have it installed on my Steam Deck though, because I was playing it in bed. So I'd have to reinstall it on the PC. Oh, look how old. Look at this. I captured footage of the old Twitch site. Look how like basic it used to look like. How does it look now? Oh, it didn't even have a dark mode. That's right. Dark mode was like 2019 or 2020. It's crazy. I know BTTV actually added support. Like, if you install BTTV, you could add dark mode, of course. But crazy. I downloaded Red Dead Redemption 2 again, and when I fire it up, I look at the map. I feel like it's just gonna take me 30 minutes. Yeah. In some cases, when you have time to do that, it's like that's the best feeling, because it's like you have that immersion of going like traveling far to get to the place where you want to go. I was definitely the same for what was I playing? Horizon Zero Dawn. But when you have limited time to play, it's like it becomes more of a drag. So yeah, I know what you mean. Been messing around with Ghost of Tsushima on PS5. Nice. That's like a... Is that like a Souls game? I can't remember if it's that one or... Because I know Sekiro is the Souls game. But I don't think I've actually seen what Ghost of Tsushima is like. I should check it out, so I know. Because I was terrible at Sekiro, I gave up. That game's too difficult. I don't have enough patience for it. Right, what were we doing? Let me close this. So we're working on this page. I've temporarily disabled the sign-in thing because otherwise I have to keep signing in. I made this design. It's really bad because I'm not a designer, but it's basic enough to do what I needed to do. So I guess we'll just try and make that happen. I don't know how long the link is going to be. Maybe I'll just leave it like this for now. But now we have the font. Did I make... This is the font already? Inter. It is. Okay, so it's 800. So let's do that. We'll try and at least match the font stuff. There we go. So the headings we'll use 800. Nice and bold. What we want. Ghost is more of Arkham. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, because that's Arkham Asylum is I played what is it? The Lord of the Rings game, Shadow of Mordor, and that was like the fighting mechanics in that is so good. Like really satisfying to play. And I only played a bit of Arkham Asylum like around the same time, and I remembered that it was kind of similar to that, so I definitely wanted to go back to it, which is why I picked it up now, because I enjoyed Shadow of Mordor. I do need to finish Shadow of War. There's so many games I need to finish. Yes, so satisfying. Gave up on Sekiro too. Sekiro is so hard. Yeah. I don't know how people do it. I just don't have a like good enough reflexes for it. I know that if I eventually, like, similar to Celeste, Celeste was torture as well, but a good kind of torture, because I knew that every, like, round that I was going, I was at least progressing, but I feel like with Sekiro, it was just gonna take too long. Yeah. So, I've shelved it for now. Maybe I'll return in the future, I don't know. Right. We have the heading. And we need the settings under it. I'm gonna do this. And we'll just see what it makes, I think. Don't need this H stack anymore. Oh no. Oh wait, I can fix this. What I want is a V stack, which is a vertical stack. So that's going to... Oh no, I forgot that was the container. Wait, that actually kind of looks pretty cool. Not gonna lie. We can't keep it. Or can we? No, we can't. This is the container. So I need to put the V stack here. Yeah. Let's remove this. I think I just copied the wrong section. This will be the V stack. And then I duplicate box. This. And I say settings. And then I get rid of this page stack. Okay, better. But now we need to justify everything again. Justify... Well, can I do this here? Justify content. Oh, this is a VStack now, so I need to do align items. Start. Okay, yeah, we do one on that. Let's do this. Oh, it's covering the chat. Eddie! Eddie, hello! How are you doing? It's so good to see your name in chat. How are you? I hope you're well. Long time no see. What shenanigans are you getting up to this evening? Good question. We are working on a website that will allow people to sign in with their Twitch account. Look at this really cute bunny that's on. By the way, I have redeems in the chat that I've added. If anyone would like to change the code theme, the code editor theme, or the font, please be kind. I still actually someone redeemed a font change the other stream, but I didn't see it, so I refunded that person. And you can also have a variable named after you if you like. Someone redeemed this placeholder content for the logo. But yeah, so if I do the shout out Eddie Nottingham, you will see a overlay here on the screen with a clip.
Yeah, it should be lovely.
Of your stream and 3 random emotes.
I don't know if someone saw that on stream. I might put up.
I don't know how loud. Oh, I did see what you put on the screen, but I hope it wasn't anything TOS. But yes, so we worked on the actual shout out overlay a few months ago on stream, and we kind of like, I'm terrible at design, so this was literally like the first half hour of stream, and I kind of decided that's what it was going to look like. They're very minimalistic. There is a description I'm probably going to get rid of. Keep saying that. I'm actually thinking of doing like different themes, so like a compact theme where there's no video and it's just the description and the emotes and stuff like that. But we'll see. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so we're gonna have a settings page. That's what I'm working on at the moment. The website itself doesn't have to be that complicated because it's really just like the configuration for the overlay. So there's things like the command you want to use in chat, the permissions you want to give, like who can activate it, and then this is going to be the toughie. This is the one for selecting like the clips that are going to play in the overlay. So we had a good lengthy discussion about this. Well, yeah, I had a discussion with chat. I was going to say chat didn't talk. I was reading chat, but you know what I mean. And we kind of came up with these 3 filters, or filters? Yeah, I guess filters. They're kind of, they're additive. So you could tick recent and it'll try to find clips within the last, say, 6 months, which you can, you know, edit to be however many months. And then you can also say popular. So, for instance, you could say you want, when you shout someone out, you want to find clips of them within the last month. This is 1 month. That was the single most viewed. So, like the top 1 most viewed. And that would be like their most popular clip in the last month. And so it would probably be the same every day for that month. Unless like the next day rolls over and that was, you know, well, I guess if that clip, you know, is a month old, then the next day it would pick something else. Stuff like that. So that's going to be complicated because I know a lot of these are going to conflict. Jared, hello. How are you doing? How's your night going? good to see you. I feel a little shy now because Jared's like my manager, or kind of my old manager. Yeah, so we're working on this, and if they don't tick anything, then everything will be selected completely randomly. And there are some other settings for like design, like how the design of the shoutout will be, and like there's a thing for raiding everything as well, like shouting out when people raid. Ali, my bad. No worry. No, you're fine. Don't worry. I just didn't expect to see your name. How did you know I was streaming? Jared's really cool. Do you stream? Let me try and shout you out. I don't know if you stream. Have you ever streamed? Maybe I'll pick something really old. Oh, you've never streamed. Well, the shout out didn't play, so that's good. That means that it is correct. And Cregan. Hello, also. Does Cregan stream? A shout out would taste like white chocolate. And you will not change my mind. How did you arrive at that conclusion? Let me see. Cregan's got clips. Of course. Wait, I feel like I know. Is that Elmo in the corner? I was like, Wait, dude, stop the clip. Why? Is it against TOS? I can't really even hear it. I don't know if stream can hear it. I promise you, it's not friendly at all. It's ended. It's okay. I didn't really even hear what it said, but I'm sure you're fine. Well, see, this is why we have these clip settings, because now you can select like how you want the clips to be played. So if that was a really old clip, then that wouldn't have played if we had configured it not to do that. Looks like a solid design. I'll use it for sure if it's available for others use. Yes, so that's what we're working on at the moment, is the actual website that you log in to do that. Let me... I guess there's not really that much to show with the login at the moment, because it's really just a sign in button and then you sign in. So if I comment that back in, actually, I think that should be it. Yeah, there's the sign in button. And then, so I think because I've already authorized this with Twitch, it's just gonna log me in straight away. Oh, but there you go. And now it says my username and my profile picture. So I only disabled that because it was signing me out. Well, not signing me out, but like the cache thing was doing something. So I have to keep signing in every time I want to test it. So I'm just gonna remove that for now. And it will just... Oh, because it thinks I'm still on there. Yeah, that's fine. It's not... I think it ended before the punchline. Oh, okay. Have my freebie. Oh, Eddie, you're too kind. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. I hope life is going well for you. I know that you have been super busy with work and stuff. So I don't know how badly France... I guess France has been affected by the heat wave as well, right? You're Europe. You're right next to the UK. You must know how hot it's been. Today's been relatively cooler. Today and yesterday has been nicer. So I'm glad that Europe is not going to melt into oblivion. It's been really hot, difficult to work in, but We're slowly getting there. Did I scare off Jared? I hope not. I meant it in the nicest way. Okay, so we have a V-stack here. I think we need to turn these into V-stacks. So a V-stack is basically just a vertical stack. It's like a flex box, I believe. Oh god, of course it did that. But we need to align items to the start because that will align it to the left. And then I can do also now gap, which is just gonna space that out a bit. So I can do 2, maybe it's probably a better one. I'll just be a bit of a nice gap. And I can put a gap here. So you can probably see this is the stack for these 2 things. And then this is this. And this other stack is the other one. If I do a gap here, oh, I already have a gap up there. In that case, let me put this up here and then make this 8 or 16. Just want to separate them a bit so it's a bit easier to see. Brucifer, what is up? Hello. How are you doing? Good sir. I'm remembering to shout people out today because that is like the core thing that we're working on. Everyone in here should go follow each other because you're all awesome people. Look at that beard. So glorious. Oh, I thought the clip froze for a second.
Am I gonna pay somebody to fucking shit in my pants?
Hmm.
Also,
Interesting.
Am I hoping that Chelsea doesn't hear this conversation and doesn't judge me? 100%. 150%.
This is a
150%.
good clip.
Johnny, I love you.
I've been very busy, yes, and took a giant break from everything Twitch. That is a wise thing to do. Twitch is a very giant time sink. If I didn't work in a field that was related to Twitch, I probably would make the same decision as you if I was as busy as I am and not like doing anything Twitch related. I just came back from a lovely holiday touring around Italy where the heat wave temps were 38-ish. Oh my god, the whole time. That is insane. I have a friend who was in Greece last week and it was hot there, but apparently it wasn't near as hot as the UK was, which is really weird to think about because you kind of associate going to Greece with, you know, high temperatures, or just really anywhere in Europe aside from the UK. And yeah, things were melting. Like the UK, they've been canceling trains because the rails get too hot and stuff like that. Like it's been bad. Followed. I'm sorry in advance. I love to see it. How is work going, Brucifer? Microsoft. Big shot. It is Microsoft, right? I didn't forget. I'm not like such a bad person that I... It's Intel. Okay, you know, same difference. Microsoft and Intel, basically the same company. Did the music end already? Hold on. They're the same company and you can't change my mind. Wait. Where did that... Oh. Freaking YouTube being like, hey, are you still watching? I don't want to make this too loud because I know I'm gonna get struck down by Bezos. Alright. It's always good. Good to hear. It's really just difficult to believe we're already over halfway through the year, honestly. Insanity. I should make this bigger, shouldn't I? Yeah. 2 Okay, so now we have the two settings. Oh, that's nice. The headers. Oh, of course, the headers are doing that. Now we need to make this. Okay. So the thing that I had in my head was that this was going to be an accordion. But I actually kind of want it to look like this now. I can still do that, I think. So we're using Chakra UI, which is this design system framework. And it's supposed to be, well, it is really like extensible. So you can configure a lot. And I'm pretty sure we can make it look like this even. Like even with the gap, because I was thinking that this would actually be like connected to it. But maybe we can add the gap. I'm pretty sure we can. So I'm just gonna yoink this. Let's just do that. And then we'll put this under here. Like pretty much most of coding is just yoinking code. So let's be real. I'm actually gonna get rid of that because I don't need to see that right now. So we have settings. This is the VStack that we're in. Do I want to put it in the VStack? I'm not gonna put it in the VStack. Oh, but it's gonna give me a giant gap otherwise, so I should put it in the VStack. Alright, whatever. We'll put it here. And then we import all missing imports. Did that work? Oh, you're kidding. How did it not pick up the accordion? Oh. Weird. Don't know why that didn't work. There we go. We have an accordion. Yay. Look at that. Okay, so weird. Doesn't start full width. I think we can fix that. Oh, it's not full width to the container. We need to make this full width. There we go. Do I still need? I don't think I need to make this full width because it should just take the width automatically. Or not. Okay. Good to know. How do you make a living? Code piracy. You know, I mean, technically not wrong. GitHub Copilot, it's pretty much that, you know? I think we're okay. Probably. It's there. There's literally a copy button right there. But tell me that's not like, this is fine. We're fine. I copied it because there was a button right there. Okay. What else? Yo. Okay, we need... So, okay, this is the accordion item. So this is like the first thing here. And we kind of want it to make it look like this box. Let me think. We don't need an icon, or do we? Should just close this. I keep switching to it by accident. Oh, the icon's on the side. I guess we do need an icon, huh? Do we put the icon on this side or next to the on this side? Probably makes more sense to put it over here, right? I don't know. I'll leave it over on that side. Yeah, I'll leave it on the side. Okay. Let me think. I also want it to be that we can keep everything open at the same time. I think there's a prop for that. Is there? There should be a prop for that. I don't know if it's gonna, if I can pick it out from here. I'll have to look at the documentation. The download torrent button gets me that way too. Damn, that was a good comeback. I don't even have a response to that. I think I've just failed the job interview. You wouldn't download a website. They need to make like an updated version of that ad. Seeing that screen actually gives me back a lot of fond memories. Because you know you're about to watch a banging movie. Let's be real. I'm gonna put heading in here. General. And then I'm gonna put something under here. Specify the command. Text. Oh, not like that. Yo, what? Look at that. We already like, it already looks like the thing. I think we can just ship it. I need to move this over a bit more like this. Here we go. Those stupid ass logs that are hard as hell to read though. Oh, wait. On like the console logs. I definitely know what you mean. It's worse when you're like trying to SSH into something and there's just like a billion lines on a black screen and you have to pick out what you're trying to find. That was like the worst part of trying to do server stuff. There's so many logs trying to find what you need from that. Let me think. Okay, so we have recording item. Let's do padding. Should we say 16 and just see what happens? Okay, we have a good padding of 16. We don't need that. We need 8. I don't know how big this is. See, because I didn't design. I did design this, but not very well. So everything's like not to scale. But this is 15 pixels, so we'll round that up to 16 because 16 is like the god value in CSS. I don't remember what 8 translates into, but we can actually just measure. Let me move this down here, and then I can do this. So the padding on this is 8, which goes to 2 rem. 2 rem is 32, so that's actually not what we want. I think we need 4 then. There we go. Oh, that's actually not the, that's the accordion item itself. Maybe we need to apply it to the button. There we go. So now it's the whole thing. So if I do BG color tomato, that will be this whole button. There is some padding up here. What is this? Doesn't look even. And I think it's fine. We'll just ignore it. Basically running test. Oh, yeah. I do not envy you. Gonna look for a bit and go get lunch. No worries. Good lunch. I ate like right before the stream. I'm trying to stick to a stream schedule for like the first time in my life. Because I've made... Like there's a panel below the stream where I have made a schedule. And I've just blurred it out because I never even like bothered or I tried sticking to it like maybe for a day. Then I didn't make the second stream. So that was really bad. But I'm trying to do better. Interesting. Need to get rid of that border. We'll find out here in a second. Now I need the accordion content. So that's actually just going to be in line with this. So my new schedule is Tuesdays. Jared, thank you for the sub. You didn't have to do that. I hope I didn't scare you off. I didn't mean any offense earlier. I was just surprised to see you is all. But yeah, thank you. That was super kind of you. I think you're still, are you still working? I guess you're not. Well, you're always working, I feel like. Yeah. Thank you. Very kind of you. I don't even want to read that out loud. My ego will explode. You're too kind. And Meta is also amazing. Let me see. We want to I think this is actually okay. Is it? Let me check. BG color red. Oh, it's already in line with what we want. Okay. And the padding on this is probably going to be the same. So we'll do... Oh, this... Oh no, we want padding all around. There you go. Now it's even. Look at that. Just ignore the colors. It's fine. The colors are fine. We'll make this 600. Oh no. We want it to stand out. I guess it was the same color as the background. So this will be 700. That looks too dark. You can probably all tell I'm not a designer, so like none of this is gonna look good. I just want to get something functional. I only look at Figma stuff. I don't make things in Figma. I don't know what color this is. This is lighter than the background, and this is the same color as the background. Oh, okay. Let me try 500 and make this 700. I think that's what I was trying to go for. It's good enough. Okay. And then what I want to do is... Oh, I feel like that padding is not big enough. I'm trying to go for like a bold look. I'm going to bump this up to 8. I'm also going to actually make these numbers because I don't know if I want numbers actually. Do I want numbers? I don't want numbers. I think I prefer them to be strings. I'm always working. I know you are. Always working. Don't worry, Triggerfy. We did it for you. No, not like this. Okay, that's way too big. Okay, we're gonna reduce it to 6. There we go. I think that 6 was a good compromise. Yes, 6. And then what I'm gonna do is apply this to this. Is it? Yes. And then apply this to this. Ta-da! Oh wait, not really. Hold on. I need to apply this box to this box. Now I need to say, what was the other one? Clips. And set the parameters for how clips are selected. Oh, and this isn't even the full text for this. Here we go. Nice. I'm going to put the gap between the two things because we have like a gap here. So where would that be? That would be on the accordion item. So let me try gap 6. That did not work. Why didn't that work? Oh, maybe because it's not flex. Flex direction. Hold on. There we go. I don't know if a gap really makes sense, so we're gonna go with it. Yogurt, hello. What's the purple vertical lines on the side? These lines? Probably the Git stuff. I haven't committed this stuff anywhere, so there's probably going to be a lot of lines. This is just the commit, because I've changed a lot, but haven't committed anything yet. I guess I should. How is your Thursday going? It's going well. Alright, and the buttons, well, the buttons? Yeah, I guess the buttons will have a border of none. Oh, that didn't work. What is this even on? Oh, it's an outline? Let me try outline. Same. Oh, it's on the item, maybe. No? Excuse me? It is on the button. Wait. No, it's not on the button. Let me delete the button. I think the border's still there. I wonder if it's on the accordion. Realize something with retina screens. Oh, that's right. You have your MacBook now. How is it? How are you finding it? Do you love it? Is it like the best thing you've ever used? I don't think. Oh, it is border. Oh, let me try this then. Border none. Oh, it is on the button. Oh, yo, what the heck is going on here? Oh. Yikes. Okay, we need to fix that. Not yet. I need to figure out this border thing. I think it's actually on the button. So let me take border down to here. There we go. Oh, never mind. It's still there. Oh, because I didn't apply it to the other button. And maybe it's on hover. Let me just see. Hover. Border. None. Oh, I replaced the entire hover state, didn't I? This could be interesting. A lot better than my 2015 gaming laptop. Ah. That's good. That's what we want. Best laptop I've used. Nice. It just feels really nice, doesn't it? It's nice to use. It's a good coding experience. I can see why a lot of devs like coding on Macs. Border top. None. Do you know a good way to push code to your laptop without having to push to GitHub? Tried live share, but it's not perfect. And you don't want to do anything like just put it on a USB, or I guess just send it to yourself by email or something. I mean, I guess there's a bunch of different ways you could do it. You didn't want to go through GitHub. Thank you for the honk, Mr. Throck. We're slowly getting there. I mean, we have this accordion set up now, which is nice. I think I might leave the borders, actually. I don't know. Maybe it's too much hassle to try and remove them. Can I just do this? Oh, it's gone. What? Okay, let me... Wait. So it is border. Border item. Some border item? Yo, what? Sicko mode. Look at that. No more border. Okay, we do need to fix this page thing. What is going on here? It's happening on where we've set max width to 1400. Let me do, first of all, to put height here. Height 100 VH. Did that fix it? I think that fixed it. No, it didn't. Yo, what? Oh. It's because it's thinking this is the maximum height. Oh, this header, I think that's what's doing it. It is my natural sound. Can confirm, have heard you on stream. I want from time to time code on my laptop on a bed or something. I'm fine with pushing to GitHub. I wonder if there's a better way. Gotcha. Yeah, I don't know. I've never really thought about it, I guess. I mean, it depends on your... I personally would do it through GitHub. It depends on your setup, like your process for how you do like stuff on GitHub. Because if you didn't want to like clog up your repository with commits and stuff, just make sure to like work on a branch, like a different branch that you can just throw away. You can just do your commits on to send it to yourself. And then when you like merge into your main branch, then everything will be nice and clean and you can like squash it or whatever. And then that way you don't have like random commits from just when you wanted to push it, so you could work on your other machine, stuff like that. It's actually probably really good Git practice as well. Let me see if I can fix this. Oh, I think that might have been it. We just delete this. Yes, okay. Oh, no, it's not 100. Not the VStack. Or actually, maybe the VStack. Let me try this. Oh, yeah, I see. So it would have to be on this. No, that is not it. I don't think it can be 100%. Maybe 100 VH. Sorry. Maybe it's on this. No, it's not. I hate working with headers. So annoying. I'm just gonna remove it. We're just gonna deal with the header. Right. Ghost! Thank you so much for the sub. That's super kind of you. You didn't have to do that. How are you? How was your Thursday? Please don't feel like you have to sub. Is it totally not needed? We're just gonna leave it with that. No, wait, what is still happening? This can't be real. Oh. Can I just maybe I just set the background of the body to be this color? No, I can't do that because the side needs to be the thing. Add placeholder content. 3 months in a row? Has it really been that long already? What is this GIF? Oh no. It's so cute. What the heck? I guess we're putting this duck in somewhere now. Can I save as a GIF, please? What is this WebP nonsense? I don't want your WebPs. Oh, hold on. I don't have to save it. I forgot. I can just... Where do we want to put this? I don't know. Let's make a new accordion item for it, I guess. And we'll just put it inside the panel. If you have a better place that you want to put it, feel free to let me know and we can move it. I'm well, just got home from work. Nice. Hope work was not too stressful. I'm doing very well, thank you. We're just working on the shoutout website. Oh, I can give more shoutouts. See, the good thing about working on a shoutout website is that you remember to give shoutouts because you'll actually, it's the thing that you're working on. Oh god.
No, that didn't happen.
It's so loud.
Killer!
I apologize for ears.
She spawned right in my line of fire.
Not the chaos mods.
Down there, otherwise I wouldn't have thrown that. That was good.
Of course it's the chaos
I
mod.
had time to kill her, so I started.
The witch. So, for those who don't know, Thrak made a Twitch voting mod for Left 4 Dead 2, so the chat can like spawn zombies and other special not zombies, special infected, and forced our friend Ghost here to play it, and it was pretty chaotic to say the least. That was a big thing. Here we go. It's in. Add placeholder content doesn't have timeout. I guess I don't think it really needs a timeout. It's just more like changing the theme or the font when we need timeout. I guess I can see it from a spam perspective, so maybe we'll add a daily limit. But I'm not too fussed about it. I love it. We'll put I'm giving you a free placeholder thing for this. Eddie's duck. Sounds kind of dirty actually, but it's fine. Eddie made me add this. What is this other one? Link. Oh my god. What? What even? Peepo Glizzy? No, not the Peepo Glizzy. Yo. I don't even know where to put that. I'll just put it in the same accordion panel. Actually, no, because this is Eddie's Ducks panel. We'll put it on the overlay, next to the overlay text. Oh, you know what? We can put it here, next to the copy button. I made it. I made the redemption cheaper than the other ones because obviously when this goes into production, it's probably going to get removed. So we're just putting in the placeholder content for the duration of the development of this site. Maybe we should leave the duck in though. It's Pimo spinning a glizzy. I can see that. Yeah, it's pretty descriptive. I like it, I guess. All right, we have our things running now, which is nice. Look at that. What else were we doing? All right, let me add. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to rename Eddie's Duck to design. It'll just be the duck in the design. The design duck. Just so that I actually have that there. But we don't have anything in that panel yet, so that's actually perfect. Here we go. You know what I should do? I should extend the accordion item, but that way I don't need to keep applying these what do you call that? These styles for everything, but maybe we'll do that optimization another time. We have an hour left of stream, so I don't want to get too sidetracked because I want to start building out some of these inputs. Someone posted it in some Discord server. I've been using it forever since. Like, what kind of use? Like, what kind of response would warrant a Peepo Glizzy? Like, I guess it's pretty versatile, actually. You could just drop a Peepo Glizzy whenever you want. This will be raid. I don't know if we'll. Well, these will probably shift around, so we'll see. And then we'll do this. You know what? I'm gonna move the Peepo Glizzy into the raid, because then that can sit in there. There we go. Nice. Oh, you know what? I should. How do I want to do this? Should do gap 2. Oh, what? It says flex 1, and then it's not actually a flex, so make that. Oh, hold on. Wait, it was the bottom one I was doing. Oh, it's still not flex. We should make this a V stack. Oh no, not like that. Text align right. No, not left. Justify. On align items. Start. Here we go. Yes, I feel like the duck shouldn't just be a placeholder. I feel like it should be final design. After all, the duck's bill and the bed sheets are perfect complementary colors and fit very well with the overall color scheme of the page. You know what? That is a pretty compelling argument. I do agree that the blue fits very nicely, and the duck's bill is like complementary to the blue. So I'm pretty inclined to agree. maybe we will consider that then. Oh no, I need to make it flexible. Oh, hold on. You can see that. Wait, do we want the arrow to be down there? Or do we want it to be up? It's not even that big. Can I make it bigger? No, I can't. I think I will leave it there because then when we... Oh no. Let me see what it looks like up. Where is it? Here. Justify content. Start. Oh. My duck is to be considered. Yes, it is. And thank you for the quacks again. So kind of you guys. Yo, what the heck? Line items. Oh, why is this not... This is blasphemous. Okay, we're just gonna leave it. And Albister, hello. Again, I don't remember if I said hello to you earlier. Yes, Thrak was very kind and gave us up. Oh, that's kind of cool, having the thing in the center, but I like everything where I aligned, so we're gonna go with that. Stack. There we go. Oh wait, one more. Boom. Bit of spacing. Helps it be a bit more readable. Yes. Perfect. I feel like this is maybe a bit long. We won't worry about that for now. I'm sure this will probably actually all change over time. I don't know. We'll see. Teach me how to code. Tried over a year ago now. You should join Meta in learning on his coding journey. Take over the world. Hack Thrax mod. It would just be a game of like... That'll just be the new weekend stream thing. Hacking each other. First one to break into the other person's PC. I think that's the game. Alright, let me see. Okay, what we want to do is let... Oh, do we want to be able to expand multiple at a time? I feel like that should be a thing. Allow multiple. That's set to true. That will allow us to open multiple at a time. Allow multiple. Hello? Oh, there we go. I needed to refresh. I think I like multiple. I mean, it kind of makes sense. I can understand why you wouldn't, because you might want to like draw the focus to the thing that you just opened. I don't know. We'll play by ear. Multiple is good. Yeah, I think so as well. That would be fun. I think that would be so much chaos with real world consequences. Allow toggle. We also want allow toggle because once you open it... Oh, it already comes with allow toggle. Okay, that's fine then. Let's see. How long do we have? We have about 50 minutes. What can we do in 50 minutes? I guess we can start on the... let me think. So we still need to do database stuff. I also wanted to set aside some time to actually test the API stuff, because I want to make sure that obviously this is possible, like these filters that we have. But I think I'll say that for next stream. So I think next stream I'll actually hook into the Twitch API or do some tests. Probably from command line. Actually, no, I could just... Yeah. Actually, no, I won't do... Actually, no, I can do command line because the token stuff is not going to be secret. So I don't mind sharing it because it's only public tokens. It won't be anything secret because I've made that mistake before. So we'll do that, and then I'll be able to test the Twitch API if we can get like the responses we're looking for. Oh, actually, no, I won't do CLI because it'll be better to make a basic script that can play the video as well, and then we can test. Yeah, I think that'll be the way to go. So many arrows. So this will probably be sometime on the weekend that we'll do that, and then I think database stuff we'll do next week. Probably next Tuesday will be the stream after that. Oh, the unsaved changes text. Oh, and that's right, we also need to add the form stuff. So we're probably going to use like some kind of React form handler to make the form handling a bit easier. And yeah, that'll make it super easy for like this is basically one giant form, or I should say each of these are multiple different forms because you can save them separately, but it will go to the same endpoints. So yeah, should it be one big form? I feel like no, because the toggles make it seem like they're separate forms. Here's the thing. What happens if you open a... I guess if you open it and then don't change anything and then close the thing, it can still say unsaved changes. So then you can open it again and discard changes or something, or add a button. You do that so I don't forget. I can even select the freaking button. No, I'm moving the background. Okay, this is how bad at Figma I am. God, don't even know what the shortcuts are. Okay, not this. Wait, did I just move it? How did I do that? I didn't even drag anything. I can't even press Alt to like zoom because it like changes. Oh God. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. There we go. This will make this 16. Well, how far? Oh, it's 8. Okay, let me do 8 then. There we go. And this will be discard changes. Or do I just say discard? Because that save only says save. I say cancel. Or I say revert. Or I say discard. I'm gonna make it that big. 48. I don't know. It's fine. Probably. Good enough. Okay. And then this will be like middle. This. I do like up in the corner actually. Maybe we do make it up in the corner. Oh God, I locked it in place. Please. Yeah, actually I do like it in the corner. Counter is more to the point. I think so, but I don't know if that accurately describes resetting the thing. So I want discard to be able to revert your changes. Whereas I feel like cancel might just imply that it closes the tab. I don't know. We can mess around with it. Just change it. Thankfully, it's only a piece of text, so we can. If it's too confusing, we can always change it. Okay. Let's make a form thing. Let me check in. Oh, we do have form controls. Okay, cool. This should be easy then, probably. Let's copy the form control. Code piracy. Maybe add it again. What just happened? Dragon Skies, thank you for the follow. Very kind of you. How did you find a stream, if you don't mind me asking? I hope you're having a good evening as well. You should use discard and then also add a cancel button to cancel the discards and then add a revert. See, I thought you were about to contribute a useful tip there. I thought, you know what? Eddie's in game design. He's a game programmer. He probably knows a thing or two about user interfaces, all the psychology behind the text needed. He probably has a very valid opinion on what the text should be, and so I should probably read that. And I think I gave you too much credit. No, I'm kidding. You probably do actually have the right idea. I mean, not that message, but just browsing. Oh, nice. Well, thank you for stopping in. So as a catch up to anyone who's lurking or who's just joined, like Dragon, we are working on a shout out website. So we have an overlay that we made a few weeks ago or months ago, and it looks like this. I don't know why I'm giving Eddie a shout out, because he just tried to ruin this whole project, led me astray. And if people want to add it to
I
their
just haven't seen enough like
stream
porn with men, you know, like pictures of men.
Wait, what?
You know? Oh, hands behind your head. Oh, just like that. Like you just show your biceps and stuff.
I don't know if that was the right clip to pick.
Or like one hand behind your head and then like you pull your jeans down a bit. Is that what it is? Like so like this, and then pull your jeans back.
Is this against US? If we had
I could do this.
Wow, I wonder who clipped that.
Nice side.
What are these shameful clips? Oh wait, I clipped this. Wait, did I clip this? Oh yeah, I did clip this. Bro, there's a singing TTS, singing Twitch, text to speech API, and I was messing around with it, and it is actually really good. Like I am shocked at.
I was not expecting that.
All these clips, bruh, what's going on? I think this is just what happens when you stop playing clips after like 11 p.m. It's like the watershed for Twitch clips. Something is happening. Listen, it's because I only follow hot people on Twitch, so you just quite like all gravitate towards each other in these streams. That's just how it is. Okay, I'm getting distracted. You know what? We've actually made a lot more progress than I thought in the stream. We've built like the big thing, and we actually just need to put the form controls inside. So let me go to general and then do this, and then add all the missing exports. Ta-da! We have an email address. This is the command. And this will just be text. We actually don't need to specify that because it's just a regular input. And we'll never share your email, or I should say, do we need text? Do we need are people that dumb that they don't know? I guess I should assume that everyone is dumb. I don't want to assume that. I want to assume that people who have taken the time to open this website and use something of mine knows what this is for, and knows that this is the command that triggers the shoutout, because it actually just says that right above it. So maybe we won't do that. Or should I? I don't know. That's so shallow. I like it. Only for... I mean... Are you gonna deny it? I like your stream content too. You're just... Everyone's really nice to look at. Me dumb. Okay, I'll just address this to Ghost then, I guess. Future ghosts. This is for the... This is the command that triggers shoutouts. I gave you a free placeholder text, and that normally costs 1,000 points, so you're welcome. I'm actually... Oh, do I? No, I don't want to make that full thing, actually, because that's kind of annoying. I'll make this into a grid. And what is the grid system like? Form control. There is a way to make it so it doesn't take up the full... Oh, you know what? It's the column system. Columns. Where is columns? Was it grid? There is a really easy way to do this. I think it might be grid. Oh, it is grid. Okay, watch this. So we do grid. And then I say... Oh, it isn't grid. Oh, it was grid. Oh, no, it's simple grid. Okay, never mind. Ignore me. Totes, hello. How are you? Is Charlie just easy to use? Wait, are we talking about the same thing? I'm confused now. Another fire stream. I am... Do you like the fact that I'm actually kind of semi-sticking to my schedules? So, this is the third stream in a row that I've... Even though it's not been on time, I've at least streamed. I started last Thursday, and then I did it again on the weekend. No, this is the fourth stream in a row, because I did Thursday, Sunday, I think it was Sunday, Tuesday, and now Thursday again. So it's been exactly a week since I started trying to do more stream stuff. Because, yeah, I feel like I was okay streaming on the weekend only, but I started getting slightly busier on the weekend, so I at least wanted to stream during the week if I could. My Sherlock comment was about Appa, right. I like anytime I get to spend with you. That's so nice of you. I like hanging out with everyone here as well, because you're all awesome people. I obviously don't take back the thing I said about the hotties thing, but aside from that, everyone is very awesome, and I'm thankful that you chose or choose me to watch, even if I am just a tab in the browser. I appreciate it. It makes coding less lonely. Right. There we go. Look at that. Now it's only taking up half of the width, because now we've done 2 columns. So if I do 1, that takes up the whole width. And if I do 2, that's half, obviously. If I do 3, that's a third. So that way we we have a nice thing that doesn't make it like take up the whole thing. If I do 2 form controls, it should put that in the other column. So I do need to actually add a gap as well. So if I do 4, that should split it up a bit. I do 8. Oh no, I do 6 because that's the width from the side, so that makes it look a bit more even. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Sweet. All right. Moving on to permissions. So we need 3 checkboxes. Oh, you know what? I forgot. We need the exclamation mark. So let me go back to text, because I think there's a way that you can set an icon as like a before. BRB got to check the garden. Let us know the status of your garden. I'm always here for your garden updates. What is text? Input. Input? Hello? Am I blind? I think I am. Oh, there it is. Bruh. That was wild. Okay, let's look. Oh, here we go. Add-ons. Is it? We want this. Add elements inside input. So we do input left element. Input group. So let's look for that. Here. So we put... Oh, it's input group? Okay. We need an input group. Like this. And we import this. And we import phone icon. Okay, we don't have a phone icon. Which icon pack should we use? I actually don't really want to install a whole icon library, but maybe we do need to. I don't know. Do we have any suggestions for icon packs? Otherwise, might just do material UI. What if I just do an exclamation mark? A strong one. You know what? That's actually not bad. that actually kind of passes. I mean, it's difficult to see. Material icons. Wait, there's also an icon component here somewhere, isn't there? Yeah, there is. What do they use? Oh, they do have a list of icons. Okay. Do they have exclamation mark? Or maybe a warning? That's warning, but we just want the exclamation mark on its own. You like it? The one, just the strong by itself? I think it works, actually. I think it is fine. Let me think. Wait, can I make it bigger slightly? How do I do this? Oh, wait, what if I do text? And then I can... That made it thinner, but then I can go weight. 800. And then I can do font size large. What, extra large? Or XL. Okay, that's a bit too big. Maybe if I make it slightly thinner. Oh, I didn't export 400. 600. I should maybe do that. I think 2XL is fine, actually. Like in Stardew, oh my god, Meta is so addicted to Stardew Valley. Feed them, pet them, let them outside every day. Yep. You know, I still need to make that into a shirt. Wait. Oh, actually, never mind. I thought I had something for that, but I didn't. Yeah, we're gonna have to make that into a shirt. Oh, why is the placeholder for a number? It should be command name. Here we go. And then clicking on it, because we've done pointer events none, it will just forward the event to the text box. So that's nice. All right. We're making good progress. Now let us look at the 3 checkboxes. So we have checkboxes somewhere here. Pretty nice looking, actually. We're probably gonna have to stylize these a bit, but we'll just throw them in for now, and we'll worry about styling later. Because actually, I just realized that this like box is supposed to be sort of like squarer, if that's the right word. I don't know. Swish, hello. How are you? How's your night going? Or evening? I keep forgetting the time difference. I think is it 6? No, I think it's 7 hours. I don't know, actually. I feel like I do know, but then I wake up in the morning and I see metas like playing This War of Mine or Stardew Valley at like, and then I look at the clock and I'm like, isn't it like 3 in the morning for you? So I feel like I'm always like misremembering what the time difference is. Seven out. Okay, so that would be 6 hours. All right, that's sort of in between. That's like not EST. An hour after EST. Don't call me out. Hey, I mean, at least it's not DBD. I think I'd have more of a concern if you were on like DBD 24/7, but at least you change it up. So I'm not too pressed. Or worried about you, I should say. Let me copy this. And then... Oh, look at these pretty colors. Alright, I'm gonna put this under here, under form control. Do I need to make a separate form control for this? I don't know. Also, why would I just not make this an H stack, you know? That doesn't really make sense to me, but okay. DVD is so gross. I somehow don't believe that you mean that. I don't know why. Oh, I put this in the wrong thing. But maybe you're finally going through... and maybe having an enlightenment. I don't know. Speaking of enlightenment, I feel like I need to play Cult of the Lamb. Because I've seen so many cute things about it. Oh, hold on a second. This isn't gonna work. I need to make this flex. Oh, and I need to make it flex direct. Oh, come on. Oh. You know what? We've seen the light. We're gonna use VStack. Watch this. Easy. V stack. Yeah. I didn't mean to do that. Gap 6. Because 6 is the magic number. Boom. It's down there. And then all I do is justify content. Start. Oh, sorry. Align items. I keep getting confused. There we go. Yay. TBD is for plebs. 2,000 hours. 2,100 hours. Oh my god. I don't think I have 2,000 hours in any game. I have close to 2,000 hours in... What's like? I used to play a lot of Splinter Cell Blacklist. Honestly, if that game went into competitive, I think I would have been a pro Blacklist player back in 2014. Just saying. Cult is so good. I feel like I need to play it. I've been trying not to watch too much because I know I want to experience it for myself. Is this right? Oh, that's below. No. No, this is right. Yeah. And then what I do is I make this into a form. Wait, do I? Yeah. Form control. And then input group this. Hey, look at that. So now I have permissions. And then I can say this checkbox is for broadcaster. So I purposely added a broadcaster box because I want it to like be clear that the broadcaster can always use their own shout out. And I'm gonna disable it so that they can't untick it because, you know, why would you not want to enable it for yourself? That's kind of weird, right? That's crazy. Why don't do that. Just, you can use it. You're the broadcaster. And then the other ones can be ticked. This reminds me of making fonts for forums on Neopets. It's pretty much the same thing if you think about it. You're working on a website, basically. Do you remember like those old forums where you can like design your whole page and like put in custom CSS and like have a mini radio player on your profile page? You could just upload anything you wanted, basically. Man, I wish I would have been more of a developer back in those days. I did do some like CSS for Reddit and stuff. Keo, thank you so much for the raid. I don't know why the raid alert didn't play. Sometimes it just doesn't play, but you know what? I am logging into Stream Elements right now to make it play. How was your stream? Raid. There we go. I really need to fix that. How was the editing? I assume you were editing. Keo is a lovely catboy who I was torturing with memes yesterday. Shout out Keo. And he has an amazing voice, by the way. Listen to that.
Need a girl to step on me like a Goomba. What?
Just realized what you just said. Yeah. I hope you one day have your dream realized of being stepped on like a Goomba. That's probably a thing. Stream was good, did a little editing and a little meme making. Nice. I hope you liked my memes yesterday. I did see your message right before I went live that you added it as a thing to your channel. You're very welcome. I happen to have a project for, so I made a meme of that before. But I didn't cover the woman's face. Do I actually have? I don't want to. No, I won't open it. Just in case I accidentally leak something else. But yeah, I did have the project file. Actually, no, I will open it. Let me see. Which screen is it going to appear on? let me go to this screen in case something secret pops up. I loved your memes. They're both now channel redeems. Amazing. You didn't have to do that. I didn't add it for that reason. But I had a lot of fun working on it. I say this a lot. When I work on this stuff, it's like a cathartic release of creativity that I can, something visual, because obviously I'm coding the whole day usually. So it's nice to unwind and kind of just make something memey. So the project that I had already worked on is this, but not with your face. So I only had to do the tracking for your face, but I already had the tracking for this done. Also, just ignore how like messy this timeline is. I'm not like with memes, I just don't bother doing any organizing. But yeah, and then thankfully I didn't have to track this all the way down there because the what do you call it? The error thing pops up. By the way, this is a real advert for it's a New Zealand advert for I don't remember. It's ACC. Basically it's an advert for tripping hazards, and the actual video is really uncomfortable because she lies there for like a really long time. I don't know if this has audio. Leon, hello. Oh my god, good to see you. Leon, you're based in New Zealand, so you actually know this video probably. I know, but I wanted to. Oh yes, you actually know why I made this video, because I made it for Charlie. On his project. So it's a fake like video. It's a fake advert for a snack bar, but then she trips and then it's her like making pained noises for like this entire duration. And you can't hear the audio, but yeah, there you go. I think that would have really scared me as a child, honestly. Reminds me of the 90s Life Alert. I've fallen, I can't get up. Oh, I think I remember that one. But yes, so I actually have a Twitch version of this where it's Twitch, and then so this was back when. Do you remember when all those hate raids were happening with the Hoss usernames? I put a bunch of Hoss. Wait, let me see if I can find it actually. Oh, wrong scene. I don't think I've never shown any of these projects publicly, but you're an editor, so you get to see. Where would I have put it? Which videos? Twitch Hoss.
Twitch.
Oh no, that's saying Twitch. I don't want this to be super loud. This one was difficult because I had to.
That's why I give my kids .tv.
That's the whole fool as well. Well, not the whole fool, but that was enough that you can see she pretty got hurt. So the difficult part for this one was because her like foot goes over some of the names, so I had to like rotoscope some of that bit out. Thankfully the video is really low quality, so I didn't have to do too much, but you can see how like you go frame by frame. It's not great, but it was enough. You can't really see it. Oh, I didn't do the lost frame. That's embarrassing. I had so much fun with those. Just face and bare arms in the glass. I know. It's really... Look at that. That is not good. I'm making this poor woman suffer. Show us the secret archives. Do I have any Eddie projects? I do. Oh my god. Not the Eddie projects. That's the birthday one. Do you remember the birthday one? That's the spawner one. Okay, the spawner one was... I remember the spawner one. The boat one... Yo. Oh, this is when... Okay, I can't show it. I feel like that's semi-TOS though. I can't show that one. I can't believe I finally made it to one of your streams. Wait, what time is it in... Oh, it's got to be like 10, right? Or 12 in the afternoon. I hope you're well, dude, though. I hope Charlie's well. I don't know if you've spoken to him recently. I did message him the other day, actually. I know he's had COVID for a while. Let me see. The spawner one. So Eddie plays a lot of Minecraft. And he made a face. And I turned him into a creeper. Because obviously I had to. Look how, like, I just got this fire pixel off of Google. Because I couldn't find, like, what the sprite was for the spawner thing. And then I put it in. That's fun. I had to make it look random enough that you couldn't really tell when it was like spinning really fast. I think this is fine. It's only semi-tier, so it gives you a semi. Nice. It's a good one. I speak to Charlie, mate. He's Gucci, just moving to learn JS. Nice. Goofer, I don't know if he's still in here, but he is also on his JS coding journey. And honestly, speaking to both of you, it reminds me a lot of... I think you should, like... I was going to say hook up, but that sounds like bad. Not the way I intended. You should connect on your coding stuff, because it can be a lonely experience if you're just trying to learn it on your own. Yeah. Okay, I guess I'll open the butt one. Basically, there was a clip of Eddie doing a butt dance, and then I rotoscoped it because I clearly had nothing better to do with my time. Oh, I didn't freeze the roto brushing, did I? So this is actually going to tank. Hopefully this doesn't like crash OBS or anything. Can I did I freeze it? Okay, you can tell where this is going already. I don't remember. Oh yeah, see, like After Effects is like, yo, what is this? I don't even remember. Oh, is this it? Why is it not like rotoscoped out? Roto brushed. Roto brushing is like rotoscoping, by the way, but you can use the brush, which is if we're working with like really complex stuff, it can be really helpful. I don't know why that's anyway, the end result was this, which looks actually decent, although his head was cut off, so I was kind of sad about that. Next time you should stand with your whole body in the frame, because then it makes me easier. I'm just gonna completely purge all of this, because otherwise After Effects will just eat the entire space of my hard drive that I have left. I'm literally just learning it from Scrimba, real basic stuff. Nice. I mean, that's kind of the way you need to start, because then everything sort of slots in as you progress. Call that real dog. He does. I mean, I'm pretty sure he has a girlfriend, so I won't hit on him too hard. Who else do we have in here that I've memed? I guess Meta. I've memed Meta. I've memed Thrak. Have I memed Thrak? I don't know if I have, actually. Leon! Thank you so much for the sub. That's super kind of you. So much kindness from all of you people today. In the future, I'll be sure to make my streams more memeable just for you. Hey. Thank you. And now you have access to the yes mode. Honestly, I don't know if I should take... Okay, I was going to say, I don't know if I should take that down, because I feel like it's actually giving people some motion sickness. I mean, technically there's an option in Twitch to disable animated emotes, but I don't know if it might be going a bit too fast, but I'll leave it for now, just because you said that. Where did we get to before we got sidetracked by chat? So we're working on making this thing, this page, and we have these in now, but actually, you know what? I'm actually going to make these buttons slightly bigger because they seem really tiny right now. Size, large. Look at that. Big old checkbox. Can I make these extra large? No. They don't have an extra large? That's really weird. But we can make them bigger, at least, slightly. And I'm also going to remove this because we don't need it. Here we go. So, broadcaster... Oh, this needs to be default checked. Why is that not checked? Yo, what? Is disabled. Is checked. Oh, okay, needed is checked and not checked. Ah. Gonna make some breakfast, no worries. I'm probably not gonna be streaming for too much longer, so if I end before you return, then have a great day. Those emotes. Honestly, I kind of just put them in because I knew I had animated emote slots and I wanted to at least do something for them. Lurking for a bit now. Thanks for babysitting my chat. No worries. Thank you for the raid again. I need to get better at doing raid stuff, because I always forget to introduce myself. But I need just to put a sticky note up on the side of the screen that's like, hey, when you get a raid, you should say who you are. Next time. Okay, we have this section done. Do I have enough time to do the second section? We'll try. Okay, all I need to do for the top one is copy over the grid for this. So I'm actually going to copy this entire thing. And then I'm going to be like, hey, go here. Boom, copied. So now all I need to do is change the text from to max clip duration. So this will be max clip duration, and instead of seconds, I will put that down below. Or should I make this right element? Maybe I make it right element. And I make the text seconds. Oh. I didn't want that to happen. Maybe I put that outside the box instead then. Yeah, let's do that. Oh god, look at how big this import has gotten. Yikers. Okay, right element. Instead of that, we go. We make this. Like this. Or do I do this and copy this out and then put this on the side like this? Nope, that doesn't work. All right, screw it. We're just gonna get rid of the input group. And then we're going to make a box. I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to make this... Oh, I made this an H stack. Okay, like this. And then I do gap. 3. And then I put in text. You say seconds. Secondes. Seconds. There you go. Now we have seconds. Oh, I don't even want this to be. I need this to be a number input. Damn it. Because it's numbers. We want this to be numbers. Damn it. It's fine. We can rescue this. Come on, gimme all available imports. Oh, okay. Can I set there to be a thing for it? No, I'll just leave the seconds on the end. Looks fine to me. And we'll make the default 60. We'll edit all of this, of course. When we have to come back to this when we have the form thing working. Oh, you know what? The placeholder for this we should make just like shout out. Like that. And then people will know. And this will obviously be automatically populated. We'll probably make the default command shout out. And then we can change it to be... I think that will be the most obvious thing to do. Because SO could be... Like, I guess most people use SO, but for complete clarity, we'll make the default shout out. But we'll do that when we get to the actual form bit. Clips. Okay, so max clip duration in seconds. Oh, we have 3 minutes left. Oh, I'm gonna overrun slightly because I know I started late today. I won't be able to go all the way till past, but I'll probably go an extra 10-15 minutes. I want to at least get this panel done, so we'll do that and then we'll wrap it up there. So now we do these 3. Okay, I'm not sure how to approach these 2 boxes because, or these 3 boxes, because I don't really know what makes 100% sense, but I think what we'll do is we'll make this a V-stack of checkboxes. And then I don't know, it's tough. Like, would it make more sense to do 3 like this and put the options on these? I think actually putting them horizontally does look like it makes more sense. Have you checked out StreamerBot yet? I have. Yes. Actually got to meet the creator of StreamerBot in Amsterdam when I was at TwitchCon. He's a very nice fellow, and yeah, he had his ambassador there who did the presentation. Yeah, really nice guy. And yes, I should have grilled him, or not grilled. I should have asked him about the YouTube integration, because I know StreamerBot has recently added YouTube integration. I think they did, and I was looking at it for Triggerfire, but I couldn't really work out how they got around the whole what do you call it? Rate limitation thing, because YouTube is notoriously bad for third-party developers. They might have put in a request. I should probably put in a request form, honestly, for a higher rate limit, because I don't think I'm going to be able to do it any other way. We shall see. We shall see. Yeah. It's definitely a difficult balance between trying to achieve the same, well, not the same, but, you know, like more complex functionality versus the interface that is shown to the user. Because I think at some point, depending on how complicated it can get, it becomes as complicated as the thing that you were trying to do in the first place. So yeah, it's definitely a difficult line to balance sometimes. This doesn't need to be disabled or checked anymore. Let me rename these to, oh my god, I can't type. It's almost, well, it's just gone past midnight, so that's the excuse I'm gonna go with. This will be a V-stack. Oh wait, why is the spacing 5? I should have made the spacing 6. Where is it? Hello? Oh, I've just put it in the wrong place, haven't I? Damn it. Undo. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. Oh, I guess I should call this filters. I'm thinking of switching from my self-hosted Phantom bot over to StreamerBot. What do you use yourself? I don't use either, actually. But my stream isn't really that like big enough to need it. But yeah, I would probably give StreamerBot a go. I don't know if I actually know what PhantomBot is. PhantomBot. Ah, open source multi-purpose bot. Interesting. Very cool. Don't know if StreamerBot is open source. Could be. Does this mean you're coming back to streaming, PogChamp? Six. Did I change this one to 6? No, I didn't. Spacing 6. Spacing 6. Okay, now I make this a V-stack. Like so. Oh my god, it's happening. Wait, why are these like very ever so slightly shifting to the side? Can you see that? I'm not going crazy. What the heck? What is going on here? Oh, it's trying to look, it's trying to weird. Okay. Odd. We'll put you out of your misery and just align you to the side. There you go. Much better. I may be back very soon. Exciting. I'm looking forward to memeing you again, should the opportunity arise. We've made filters. Oh, I don't like how the text has actually gone bigger because I made this large and it made the text larger than the actual title. That's kind of bad. Can I say size large? Where did that go? Here? Extra large. Oh my god, no. I need font size. Large. Oh, there you go. So if I do 2XL, is that too big? I feel like this design is very, how should I say, out there. That might actually be the right size. How big is this? Fonts. This is 20 pixels. And this text is 18 pixels. Okay, I can live with that. Not overly big. I need to make these bigger. What I'm gonna do probably next stream is update the base element. So something cool that you can do with Chakra is you can edit or you can extend the components themselves. So see how with like this form label, for example, I have to set the font size on all of them in order to make it work. What I can do is like I can extend the actual label itself, so I can apply it to every label automatically without having to specify it. But I'm not going to do that now because it'll take a bit of effort, but I will do that probably next stream, and then that way we can remove a lot of these styles so that we can just focus on the functionality. And then that way, if we need to make an accordion on a different page, this style will already be applied because we've basically made a custom accordion without having to make a file for it. We just extend the styles. What are we making? Good question. We are working on a website that allows Twitch users to log in with their Twitch account and configure a shoutout overlay. So if I do you stream, Leon? I don't know if you do. You do not. Okay. Well, what was supposed to happen was it pulls up a random clip of your stream and it plays in like a what do you call it? An overlay. I'll just do Eddie again because he was the last person who spoke. So you get that.
This is right. This monster. Watch this. It's gonna wake up. You don't get monsters like that just sitting there. They all wake up.
This is Half-Life?
Are you kidding me? Oh my god! It didn't wake up. Now I look like a fool.
To be fair, that was pretty much my experience. But yeah, so you log in with your Twitch account and then you can add that overlay to your own stream, and we need all the settings that you can configure it with and stuff like that. So that's what we're working on. Elvers, what is up? Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm working on a novel concept for a new blog post. Developed a 5-line JavaScript code review challenge. The challenge is just tell me what the code logs to console. Are you interested in attempting it? Do we have time? I am about to end stream here in a second. And also Boris Johnson, oh my god. The Boris Johnson is in my chat. Yo, what? How did you get that username? It's pretty amazing. Silvers, I would accept, except it's pretty late, so I don't think my brain would be at capacity, at the right capacity for now. But if you happen to catch me in another stream, probably next one, probably be sometime on the weekend. I'd be more than happy to attempt it. But yeah, that sounds awesome. If you happen to stop by the next stream, I would be interested in trying it out. It's got a lot of free time. Nice, retired. True. Very true. And thank you for the follow. That was super kind of you. Yeah, it's 12:10 here. I have work tomorrow, so I'm actually going to be ending very shortly. I was just seeing if I could put in this box. And Eternal Kotlin. Amazing username. Thank you also for the follow. Also very kind of you. Let me just chuck in. Actually, you know what? I think I'll save that for next stream because I will need to add a column for this side. And yeah, I need to go unwind. How long have we been going? Okay, we're almost up to the 3 hour mark, so that was a good time to stop. But yes, it's Black Mesa. Oh, I've actually played Black Mesa. Yes, that was very good. I watched a long play of the original Half-Life as well to like compare what they updated, and it's crazy how much they added and like redid. So massive kudos to that team. Yeah, the Half-Life game's a classic, truly. Let me see. Interesting. You know what? Meta is live. What is he doing? Meta is a cracked DBD player, by the way. Okay, I'll go raid Meta, I guess. He was in here earlier. He's a very like big supporter of Triggerfire, which is super nice of him. I actually got to meet him in Amsterdam as well. Yes, he's very lovely. Was that the NoClip documentary? I don't remember. I don't think it was. I think I just watched a thing of it, and what do you call that? Just on YouTube. All right, everyone, take care. If you stop by, I was gonna say if you stopped by earlier, thanks for being here, but I guess you wouldn't be here if you had already left, so never mind, just ignore me. But yeah, I had a really great time today, and stream was actually pretty productive. We actually got a lot done. So also thank you for the duck. It's pretty great. These are the raid. I actually made raid commands now. They're JavaScript themed because why wouldn't they be? But yeah, have a great rest of your evening. I will probably be on the weekend. So yeah, have a good Friday tomorrow. It's the end of the week. Rejoice, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.